In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in Monday.com. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your workflow, I am here to guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up automations in Monday.com that can save you time and streamline your tasks. Let's get started by opening up the board where you'd like to add your automations. Once you have your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll find the Automate button. Clicking on this button will take you to the Automations Center, which is the hub for managing all your automation needs. Now, in the Automation Center, you have a rich selection of templates provided by both your existing integrations and Monday.com itself. However, for today's demonstration, we're going to build an automation from scratch to really get to grips with the basics. To do that, find and click on the Create from Scratch option. This will lead you straight into an interface designed for crafting your custom automation. You'll notice that the interface presents a simple structure with two fundamental sentences. When this happens, and then do this. This is essentially the backbone of your automation. The first sentence serves as your trigger, while the second outlines the action to be taken. These are visually separated by an arrow, with triggers placed above the arrow and actions below it. To begin setting up your trigger, simply click on the first sentence, when this happens. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of trigger options. Feel free to use the search function if you have a specific trigger in mind, or browse through the available options to explore what's possible. Once you've selected the trigger that suits your needs, it's time to set the action. Click on the next sentence, then do this, to determine what happens once your trigger condition is met. Just like the triggers, you'll find an array of action choices to fine-tune the behavior of your automation. On the right side of this interface, you'll notice plus icons adjacent to both your actions and triggers. These allow you to further customize your automation by adding additional triggers or actions. If at any point you decide you need to change your setup, look for the trash icon next to each option to delete something that no longer fits your workflow. Remember, anything you place above the arrow represents the conditions for your automation to start, the triggers, while everything you place below signifies what happens after those conditions are met, the actions. Once you're satisfied with your creation, go ahead and click on the Create Automation button to finalize everything. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've crafted an automation that can enhance how you work within Monday.com. Thanks for watching and happy automating.